Melrose Park. Today we're going to look at the Libby app, which allows you to read books and audiobooks on your mobile device. First, let's go to the App Store, or go to Google Play if you have an Android. Do a search for Libby, which is Libby. Then you're going to click Get or Install and wait for it to install. When the app is finished installing, press Open, and we're ready to set up your account. First question is, do you have a library card? Yes. Let's search for our library. That's the middle choice. Type in your zip code or your library name. I prefer the zip code. It's very accurate. And you'll notice we're part of the Media on Demand group. Click on the Melrose Park Library. Click on Melrose Park Library once more. Here's where you type in your card number. And now you set up your card, so press Next. If you have more than one person using the same device, you can have multiple cards sign into the device, so you can name it. And now we're ready to explore what the Libby app has to offer. There's ebooks and audiobooks available. Let's check out what's new. Often these titles will have holds on them. Let me show you how to place a hold and check out a book title that looks interesting. To the right of it, click Place Hold and then place hold one more time. When that item is available, you'll be notified right in the app. I'm also going to look at this title and place a hold on it as well. Now click Go to the shelf and you can see what you have right now and what you're reading. And at the top, you can click on Holds and see what holds you've placed. It also gives you an idea how long it will take before you can read those items. Click on Library at the bottom left. Click on Library again to go to the beginning and see what else is available. Click What's Available, and I'll show you how to borrow a title right away. All these titles are available to borrow right now. Just look at the right of them, and you'll see that it says Borrow. Click Borrow again. Now you can open the book and start reading right away. Ready to go back to the beginning or to our home screen, there's another way to explore by subject. Scroll down, and you'll see all sorts of subjects and thousands of books to explore. You can also refine your search on the right-hand side. You can also get to explore from the top right-hand corner, and we're going to look at the kids section. If you click all titles, you'll be able to see thousands of kids titles. There's also teens collections, business collections, and Spanish. I do want to do a search within these results to show you a really cool collection within this kids section. It's called the Read Along. If you have kids who are learning to read, these books will read to them and highlight the words as it goes. We've looked at how to browse for titles, but you can also search for specific titles. Just click on the magnifying glass at the top of the home page. Type in a title that you would like to look up, and you can see if it's available. Then you can click Borrow or Place Hold. If you click on the Libby icon on the top right-hand corner, you'll see a menu, and here you can find out more information about how to use the Libby app in the Libby Academy. You can learn how to re-download an item, how to return books, how to deliver your holds later, say if you're not ready for a title right when it's ready for you. I hope you enjoy exploring the Libby app.